Lost your user manual? Easily access it right from your TV. The following process is the same even though your TV may look a little different than the one pictured. To access Smart Hub, press Home on your remote. Open up the TV's main settings menu. Under Support is where you'll find the e-manual. Select an Information tab, then choose a topic. Navigate through the guide and receive step-by-step instructions. Still can't find what you're looking for? Select the magnifying glass to search for a specific topic. Whenever you need help, the e-manual is at your fingertips.